Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about multi-masking. Multi-masking is a revolutionary new trend where you target different areas of your face, applying different masks on different areas of your face to target each skin issue. So for example, if you have combo skin and you have oily skin on your T-zone and your cheeks are kind of dry, so you will apply a sebum controlling oil reducing mask on your T-zone and you will apply a hydrating mask on your cheeks. And by the way, since this is a skincare video, I'm wearing absolutely no makeup on my skin. I'm only wearing lipstick, mascara and eyebrows, and there is literally nothing on my face because I believe that when I'm doing skincare videos, I shouldn't be wearing makeup on my skin because that kind of defeats the purpose. So yeah, there's no makeup on my face right now. If you've been following me on Instagram, you will have seen my videos. I posted lots of multi-masking videos on Instagram recently, so please check that out if you want to be very clear about the concept. I show you how I use different face masks for different concerns on different areas of my face, even spot masking. So Innisfree recently came out with the amazing color clay masks. These are the Jeju Volcanic color clay masks. I'll show you what the PR package looks like. So after opening the package, we have these really cute stencils here. You can multi-mask with these really cute stencils. And then we have a how to multi-masking guide. So if your skin needs to relax, you will apply these masks. This is just for fun, selfie time, applying different masks with the stencils. Then we have masking after outdoor activities, and there are colors to show which masks to apply when. And this is for a very special occasion where you want to look extra healthy, extra glowy. And then at the bottom we have all of the masks. There was also a mask brush here, but I've been using it so much it's kind of dirty, I have to wash it. But these are what all of the masks look like. So all of these masks are clay masks, but they come in 3 different textures. The first one is a watery gel kind of texture, the second one is a cream clay texture, and then we have a transforming clay texture. Look who doesn't want to let me film. You don't want to let me film? He's really heavy, you guys. Here. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube, baby. He's a big boy now. He's about, I think he's about 9 to 10 months old. And he's so cuddly and he's the cutest little thing. And I haven't showed him on my channel in quite a while. But yeah, this is him. He's just been out for a walk. That's why he's huffing and puffing. Definitely needs a drink of water. So I'm just going to give him some water and be back. So let's talk about the watery texture first. This one is Vitalizing, this one is Brightening, and then this one is Hydrating. So this is what the packaging looks like. They come in this really nice, easy, squeezy tube kind of packaging. You just want to squeeze some on the back of your hand and apply them onto your face using a brush. Or if you don't have a masking brush and you don't want to be fancy, just use your fingers, they work just as well. So this texture is quite watery, quite easily spreadable as you can see, and this texture dries quite fast, so you want to apply this for about 10 minutes, and once it's... Oscar, please. And once it dries, you want to wash it off. So my favorite one is definitely the brightening one because I love to make my skin look fresh and healthy and bright. This is the yellow one. It really helps in evening out the skin tone, making your skin look brighter and fresher and healthier. By the way, I think all of these retail for 700 rupees each. I'm gonna have the links to purchase all of them in the description box below. So if you want to check any of them out, there are gonna be direct links in the description box below. The blue one is great for hydrating. So if you have dry skin, if you have combo skin and you want to apply this on your cheeks where your cheeks are dry, you want to apply it on your neck, this is perfect for that. It provides instant hydration and makes your skin soft and supple. This is the Vitalizing one. All of them have this watery gel texture. This one is great if you've been out in the pollution, out in the sun, and you just want to bring back the energy and the youth into your skin. You just want to make it look fresher. You just want to give it a boost of energy and rejuvenate your skin. This is great for that. So if you're a college going girl and you go through a lot of dirt and pollution, this is going to be great for you. Okay, now let's talk about the creamy texture. Now these take a little longer to dry. You want to leave them on for about 15 to 20 minutes because the gel texture dries quite fast, but these dry a little later. So we have Calming and we have Cica. Now as you will see, this one is definitely thicker than the previous one, but still quite easy to apply. So the purple one is for calming. This is great to use after a sunburn or just when your skin needs to calm down and when you've been stressing out and you get those little stress whiteheads and stress pimples. I think this is great for that. The green one is the Cica one, which is great for redness and for reducing scars and pimples and all of that. So if you have acne prone skin, this is the one that you want to use. I like using both of these together. Now with the Cica one, I'll actually even go and spot mask. If you want to check out how I do that, you want to make sure you check out my Insta videos. I've made lots of videos on Instagram showing how I use all of these masks. Now with the Cica one, as you can see, I have this little pimple over here. I'll actually use this on just that pimple. That is Oscar scratching my door. He wants to come in. Yeah, so I think even this is one of my favorites because I love using this when my skin is acting up, when I just needed to relax and calm down the redness and raised red spots. You know, when you get those little raised red itchy bumps on your face, this is great for that. So I love using these in conjunction with each other as well because I'll use this on areas where I feel like my skin just needs to calm down, and I'll use this on actual pimples and red spots. So these are great if you want to use them together. And by the way, all of these masks are meant for multi-masking, so you can literally use any of these masks with any of these masks. And I think it's a great fun activity to do with your friends. You can just have your girlfriends over, you can all multi-mask. Everyone has different skin issues. Someone may be oily, someone may be dry, someone will have larger pores, someone may have, you know, acne scarring and all of that. So everyone can target different skin issues in one go, and I think that is genius. So now we come on to the transforming clay texture. This is the black one and this is the white one. The white one is meant for refining. Now what this texture does is that when it comes in contact with water, it actually transforms into a foam and you can use it as a cleanser. That is why it is called transforming clay type, because it turns into a cleanser, so it has a dual action. Now this is great if you have rough skin, if your skin just feels like there's a layer of dead skin and you just want to get rid of that and bring back the smoother, softer skin. If you have larger pores, you also want to look into this one because this is refining. So it helps in reducing pore size. It also helps in making your skin smoother and your skin just feels like a baby's butt. So I love using this on my forehead because I do like to get rid of my baby hair, and when I do that I can get little raised bumps and my skin can get a little bit rough there. So I always use this one on my forehead. I'll even use this on my nose, around my nose to kind of tighten up the pores, and on my chin because I always get this little dry patch on my chin. So I'll use this and it'll make my skin really soft. I really love this one as well. Actually, I cannot decide which one is my favorite. I love so many of them. And finally we have the black one. This is Purifying. Now this is great if you have lots of blackheads, lots of whiteheads, and you just feel like your skin is clogged and you just want to get all the gunk out and make it look pure, because this is purifying. And of course you can wash this off once you mix it with water. It's going to turn into a foam and it just becomes a cleanser, which is great. So this is that perfect cleansing kind of mask that's going to make your skin feel squeaky clean, and it's going to pull out the gunk from underneath your skin, your blackheads, your whiteheads, and give you pure glowing skin. So yeah, those were all of the color clay masks by Innisfree. Let me know your thoughts if you have tried any of these before, or if you're excited to multi-mask, or if you just want to use one, that is also fine. But I think multi-masking is so amazing because I always feel like I'm killing two birds with one stone. I hate that saying. Why would you want to kill two birds with any number of stones? But you guys know what I mean, that I'm getting rid of two problems in one go. It is quick, it is easy, they're not too expensive, they're great for people of any age, of any skin concern, because you can definitely get what you want in these masks. And also they're just so fun to use because they're colorful. So I hope this video was helpful and you learned something new. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I hope you're subscribed to my channel already. If you aren't, please take a moment to hit that little red subscribe button, and you can also click the bell to stay notified whenever I have a new video up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you super soon in my next one. Bye bye.